In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade a Notion plan, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're looking to access advanced features or simply accommodate more extensive collaboration needs, moving up to a higher tier plan in Notion can greatly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and get started on upgrading your Notion plan with these straightforward steps. First, go ahead and open your Notion app. Once you have that open, look over to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the sidebar. Here, you'll see various options like workspace settings. Click on Settings and Members to begin the upgrading process. This area is essentially your control center for all workspace-related settings and adjustments. Getting familiar with it will make future adjustments much easier. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be presented with a variety of options to explore and manage your settings. To find the next step, you need to direct your attention to the Plans section. This is usually right there in the menu, ready for you to click on. The Plans section is a dedicated spot where you can compare and browse different subscription options offered by Notion. It's designed to help you see what each plan offers and choose what's most suitable for your needs. Upon entering the Plans section, you'll notice that Notion offers a few different plans, typically listed as Plus, Business, and Enterprise. Depending on your requirements, selecting the right plan is crucial. If you're someone who desires more collaborative features, the Business plan might be the appropriate choice for you. Meanwhile, larger teams or organizations might lean towards the Enterprise package, which offers even more control and features. Spend a moment reviewing these options to ensure you're making the decision that best supports your goals. After deciding on the plan that suits you best, you'll need to select it. Usually, there's a straightforward upgrade button accompanying each plan option, so don't hesitate to click on it. This will lead you to the final and very important stage, confirming and entering your payment details. You'll typically need to provide some standard information to complete the transaction, like your preferred payment method and billing address. Ensure that all your details are accurate to avoid any unnecessary complications. When you're ready, finalize your choice by confirming your payment details and submission. With everything completed, take a moment to verify that your account reflects the updated plan. You should receive a confirmation email that your subscription has successfully changed, and all the additional features tailored to your new plan should be accessible. Now you can fully enjoy the expanded capabilities that come with your upgraded Notion plan. Thanks for following along, and happy Notioning.